In this video, I am going to start your exercise 4.2, question number 1, 3 and 4. In my last video, I have given you exercise that 1 and 2, okay. So in this video, you will get 3 and 4, okay. So what is the question here? Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. What I said earlier is, you have to multiply A and C. Here A is root 2, ax square, B is 7 and C is 5 root 2, okay. The constant value is C. So you have to multiply these two, that is root 2 into 5 root 2. What we get? 5 root 2 into and root 2 is 2. We all know root 2 into root 2 is what? Root 2 square, that is 2, okay. So 5 into 2 is 10. So you have to find the factors of this 10. So 1 into 10, 10, 2 5s are 10. So now you see, if you add 5 and 2, these two factors, then you get 7, okay. The middle term, you will get the middle term, so 5 plus 2. Here root 2x square plus 7x is 5 plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0, okay. Now take out the bracket. Root 2x square, 5 into x, 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0, okay. So from these two you want to take common. What is common here? Only x, okay. Then root 2 x plus 5, because 5 into x, 5x, root 2 into x is x square, plus from these two, 2 and root 2. Now root 2 will be common, because you all know that in 2 we get 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is there. So if I take 2 root 2 common, then 1 root 2 is left, okay. And x is also there, plus from this root 2 is taken common, so 5 is left, okay. So 5 root 2, okay. And one thing you must remember, if you get root 2x plus 5 in the first bracket, you have to get the root 2x plus 5 in your second bracket, otherwise your sum will be wrong, okay. So root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0, okay. So root 2x plus 5 equal to 0 and x plus root 2 is equal to 0, okay. So here root 2x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus root 2, okay. X root 2 into x. So if I take it in the right hand side, it will be divide, that is 5 minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. So these are the two roots of the given equation, given quadratic equation, okay. Thank you. So now number 4, the question is 2x square plus minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Now you see here 1 by 8, there is a fraction. If you multiply these two, then there is some problem. So first we want to make it a whole number, okay. How will you make? 1 by 8 is there, so if I multiply 8 here, then 8 will be cancelled and get 1. So you multiply the whole equation by 8, okay, in both sides, okay. So if I multiply 8 here also and in the left hand side as well as in the right hand side, then the value will be same, okay. So now you see 8 2s are 16 x square minus 8 into x, 8x, and 8 into 1 by 8, that is 8 into 1 by 8. If I cancel, then what we get? Plus 1 is equal to 0 into anything, 0, okay. Now you have to multiply A and C. A is 16 and C is 1 and your middle term is minus 8, okay. So 16 ones are 16. Now 1 into 16, 4 4s are 16. So 4 plus 4, what we get? Minus 8. You get 8. So if I no problem. So right here 16x square minus 8 is 4 plus 4 and 4 4s are 16 and 4 plus 4 is 8, okay, into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now take out your bracket. 16x square minus 4x plus a minus 4 into x 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now take 1 common from this 2 and from this 2 also. So 4x will be common because 4 4s are 16x square minus 4x into 1 is minus 4x. Now 4x plus 1, anything common here? Nothing is common here, so you take only 1 as common. So minus 4x minus a plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 and also 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is equal to 0 and this is also equal to 0. So x is equal to 4x is equal to minus 1. If I take it in the right hand side, it will become plus 1. So here also 4x is equal to 1. Okay, so x is equal to 1 by 4. 4 is multiplied here. If I take it in the right hand side, it will be divided. Okay, here also x is equal to 1 by 4. So these are the two roots of the given equation, that is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. Okay, thank you student.